Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I am going to show you how to recreate some artwork from Anthropologie. I'm going to insert a quick picture right here, and it is very easy. Anyone can do this, but yikes, look at that price tag. So that's why we're going to do this little DIY project. And I have a small canvas here for demonstration purposes, but if you have larger rectangle size, then you can feel free to use that as well. And if you want your border to be really crisp, I would recommend taping off your edges like I did here. And it was kind of funny because it actually took me longer to tape off all my edges than it did to do with the actual painting. So I really wanted to pick something that anybody could do. So even if you don't have an artistic background or, you know, whatever, anybody can do this. So a little black border first, and then I'm going to go in with some dashes. Now on the Anthropologie one, they were a little bit more like circles, so you can feel free to switch that up as well. And I wanted to play around with sizing a little bit here, so it's almost like falling rain. Some of them are long and skinny, and then some of them were fatter. I was using 2 different brushes here. Also, I wanted to mention that you will notice how some of mine I wanted to be like really black and thick, and then others I left where you can see like the canvas peeking through, because I liked the texture and I thought it really added to the abstract art. So again, this is a very free-flowing piece that you can play around with. And even as I took the tape off, you'll see I show close-ups. There was a tiny bit of bleeding, and again, you can certainly go in with white and clean that up, but I actually left it there because it just added character to the abstract piece. As for the gold, here I did have to put 2 or 3 layers at least, because some of my metallic colors are a little bit on the thinner side. For those that are curious, my metallic paints are from Michaels, and it was the Artists Loft brand, and I just have the Mars Black as well. And my brushes are from Amazon. I have a separate review on that full set. It's they're in my playlists. I have everything organized if anybody wanted to take a peep at that too. This part right here is actually optional, but if you, I liked the way the little white border looked, but again, I was recreating the artwork from Anthropologie, so I wanted to go in and fill all the spaces because that's how, you know, the artwork was from their site. So this part is optional. Off camera, I did go ahead and finish all of my edges, and coming right up, I'm going to show up some close-ups. And for this next piece, I just wanted to throw it in the video as well because most people like sets to hang on their walls. So I've seen this particular pattern over like a lot of different online stores, but the little black and white rainbow, and then sometimes there's a sun up top. And of course, I wanted mine to match my other picture I just did, so I added some of the metallic gold. And then it looked a little bit too plain to me, so I went ahead and did some of the black spattering, and I think that really tied it all together. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little bit different style and recreating artwork from a different store. So leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.